How to download MP3 Juice app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to download MP3 Juice application on your device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get right into the video. This process is applicable on both iOS or Android device. So if you are Android user, you need to open Play Store. If you are on iOS, open App Store and tap to launch it. Make sure that you logged into your account and tap search icon at bottom right and search bar. Now type in MP3 Juice. You'll land on this results section where you'll get multiple MP3 Juice music downloader application. You have to choose the correct one. So let's open it. Here you will see install button. Tap on install button and wait until it's downloaded. So depending on your storage and internet connection, it will take a few time to download and install on your device. Once it gets downloaded and installed, it will appear on your home screen. You can tap to open it and download any music from the application. And that's it. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.